Before this video starts, I have missed 2 tornado warning I forgot to film, but here is the alerts I have caught so far. Thanks and enjoy the video.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 42, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Harnett, Johnston, Nash, and Wake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for southern Vance County, southern Warren County, northern Franklin County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kittrell or near Oxford, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Henderson around 7:30 p.m. Littleton around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Arcola, Afton, South Henderson, Ingleside, and Centerville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Vance, and Warren. Here is a The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a thunderstorm warning for southern Warren County, western Harnett County, northwestern Cumberland County, southeastern Lee County, northern Hope County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Southern Pines, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Southern Pines, Lillington, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Whispering Pines, and Pine Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Lee, and Moore.